Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present age. So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. Question is telling us here Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present ages. So guys, we do not know the age of Arjun as well as we do not know the age of Shriya. So let us assume, because Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. So let Shriya's present age, let Shriya's present age is equal to X years, because we do not know Shriya's age. So we are assuming Shriya's age to be X years. If Shriya's age is X years, then Arjun's present age will be Arjun's present age is equal to how much? Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. If Shriya's age is X years, Arjun's age will be 2X years. Hope guys we are very clear. So what we got? We got Arjun's present age to be 2x years. Now 5 years before, 5 years ago, 5 years ago means before, 5 years before or before 5 years. Before 5 years, what their ages are going to be? Before 5 years, Shriya's age will be, Shriya's age would have been, Shriya's age is equal to, Shriya's age is equal to x minus 5. For example, if my age is 20 years now, before 5 years, if my current age is 20 years, before 5 years my age would be 15 years. That means 20 minus 5. Similarly, if Shriya's present age is x years, so Shriya's age before 5 years will be x minus 5 years. Similarly, Arjun's age will be before 5 years, Arjun's age will be is equal to, here we have considered Arjun's age as 2x years. So Arjun's age will be 2x minus 5 years. This is what we can calculate out from the present age, because we calculated out present age to be x years for Arjun, for Shriya, and 2x years for Arjun. So before 5 years, Shriya's age would be x minus 5 years and Arjun's age would be 2x minus 5 years. Hope guys we are very clear what I am trying to understand. Hope guys you are understanding. Now 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Whose age? Arjun's age. 5 years ago Arjun's age was 3 times Shriya's age. Now what is being given? 5 years ago Arjun's age was 3 times Shriya's age. 5 years ago, the question is giving us other information. Arjun says, as per the question, is equal to 3 times Shriya's age. If 3 times Shriya's age before 5 years is x minus 5, if 5 years before Shriya's age is x minus 5 years, question is telling us 3 times of Shriya's age. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. So that means 3 times of Shriya's age. That means 3 into x minus 5 years. This is what the question is giving us. This is what the question has given us, and we calculated from here 5 years before the age is Arjun's age is going to be 2x minus 5 years. That means we can very well now say that now we got two equations. We got two things. One is 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 5. How? We calculated out before 5 years Arjun's age is going to be 2x minus 5 years, and question has given us Arjun's age is 3 times of Shriya's age before 5 years. That means 3 into x minus 5. Hope guys you are understanding this. This is the most important thing that we need to understand. If we got this point, this line point, then we can move ahead without any hesitations or without any errors. Or I can write 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into 5 is 15. or I can write, what I can write, or I can write 2x is equal to 3x minus 15 plus 5. So what we got? We got 3x, we got 2x is equal to 3x minus 15 plus 5. Now I can write, we can further write, what we can write, or let me first of all tell you what I did here. I just moved this minus 5 from left hand side to right hand side. That means transposing minus 5 from LHS to RHS. This is what I did here. I moved minus 5 to the right hand side, and we very well know that if we move a figure from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, its sign changes. So for that reason minus 5 became plus 5. Hope guys you are understanding. Or I can write 2x is equal to 3x minus 10. What we got? Because minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. Or I can write, what I can write, or I can write 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 10. What I am doing here? I just moved this 3x to left side. That means transposing 3x from left hand side to right hand side. This is what I did here. Transposing or moving the plus 3x to left hand side. And why I am moving? I am moving because I want to get together or pull together the variables having x. So for that reason only I am moving this plus 3x to the left hand side. Or I can write 2x minus 3x is x. That means minus x is equal to minus 10. Or I can write, let us try to remove this negative signs. So I can write minus x into minus 1 is equal to minus 10 into minus 1. That means what I am doing here, multiplying both sides by minus 1. Hope guys you are understanding. Why I am multiplying? I want to eliminate this negative sign. So for that reason I am multiplying. In other words, if we would have done like this, then for example, instead of writing here 2x minus 5, just this is what I am trying to explain. Instead of writing 2x minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 5, if I would have written 3x minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 5, then this negative thing would have not come here. Which negative things? This minus would have not come here. But both the way we are fine. We will get the same result. So what we are getting now? Or I can write minus x into minus 1 is x is equal to 10. So what we are getting here? We are getting here the value of x as 10 years. X is 10. Now we got the value of x as 10. This is what we got. We got the value of x as 10. Now guys, let us look here to the question or what we initially did. Because question is asking us, find their present ages. Question is asking us. And what we got? We got the value of x as 10. That means 10 years. And that means Shreya says is 10 years. And Arjun says would be 2 into x. 2x means 2 into x. That means 2 into 10. That is equal to 20 years. So you could see that we are able to find out the ages for Shreya as well as for Arjun. Now find their present ages. So we can write our concluding answer saying that. Now we can write our concluding answer saying that we calculated their ages as Shreya is 10 years and Arjun is 20 years. Hope guys you understood this. You can write in your own words. You can write the concluding answer in your own words. That's fine. But guys, hope you understood this. But still, if you have any question or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely, I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.